hope that you're enjoying hearing the amazing young talent perform at the BBC Radio Scotland Young Traditional Musician Finals here at the City Hall in Glasgow. Had the Corsic Raine Glanhain St Halla, and there is still plenty more to come, including song, harp, accordion and fiddle. This is the 26th year of this prestigious competition, which was established by Simon Tumier and Hands Up for Trad in 2000. Agus han dúr seo taiche chuir is an nurit geolatarin haar nan blianigen nan driachgen, and there is definitely no doubt that it's also contributed to the thriving folk and trad scene here in Scotland. Sin sinnetud Iona Fyfe and arpishach aha akin. Our next finalist is singer Iona Fyfe, and she grew up in Huntly in Aberdeenshire and attended bothy and traditional ballad competitions. Rainey came on an ceol tradiisianta at Conservatoire Regal na Halloppa agus bí haast a brosnacha gli sinnetrin dúchel and yet hua. Singing in Doric has been a lifelong passion which led her to tour across Europe, North America and Australia. Agus bí Iona cúideach a gimmers son na beor le galte agus she rechgere olhe operain and fair as oike a vache diev an an quick kiet bliana. And here's Iona to tell us a wee bit more.
Oh, atne, bani, atne. I shine where I stand. I didn't really start with singing. I started doing Doric poetry at the TMSA competitions, and it was only when I was maybe 10 or 11 did folks say, oh well, if you're doing the Doric poetry, you may as well put a melody to it and enter in the traditional singing as well. So I didn't really mean to get into it. It's nae the long road, love, that I grew up going to the ballad competitions that were hosted and ran by the TMSA and met a wheen of amazing singers there. Of course, contemporary-wise, I'd say that Karine Polwart's probably one of my biggest inspirations in the fact that not only does she sing amazing folk songs and ballads, but she writes her own songs that are so true to herself. And yon bonny lad. I think that folk music is political in its very essence, and it's been a huge part of my career so far, singing these songs that are telling the truth and singing truth to form. And being a folk singer means telling those difficult stories and raising awareness of issues that you're emboldened and impassioned about. You drink to your love and I'll drink to mine. I think some of the best advice that folk have ever given me in terms of my singing is to be authentic, be yourself, and stop worrying about what other people are thinking. Kind-hearted to the girl that I love.
Good afternoon, Iona Fyfe.
Creatures can be blither. We bundle on our finger seals and follow you this cipher. For you, Johnnie, you my Johnnie Sangster. I'll trim the cattle home my sheep for you, the gallant banster. On morning piece, you line our cheek afore the weeky forder. We clouds of blue tobacco smoke, we then set out in order. The sheep's are rising thick in face, and Johnnie him and bind them. The busy group for fear the sick, they winna look behind them. For you, Johnnie, you my Johnnie Sangster. I'll trim the gabble home my sheep for you, the gallant banster. I'll gie you bands that when I slip, I'll pleat them, wheel and thaw them, and sure they win a time the grip, whoever wheel you draw them. I'll lay my leg, retire the sheath, and draw the bandsy handy. We elk a stray, stracks a rash, and that will be fine dandy. For you, Johnnie, you my Johnnie Sangster. I'll trim the gabble home my sheep for you, the gallant banster. If there a chance to be my lot that I should get a banster, I'll guard him wear a gentle coat and give him goud and hand foos. But Johnnie, he can please himself cell, I win the think and blink it. Say after he's brewed his ale, he can nice it down and drink it. For you, Johnnie, you, my Johnnie Sangster, I trim my gavel, oh, my sheep for you, the gallant bandster. A dainty cooey in the bow for butter and for cheeses, a grumpy feeding in the side to keep the goose in creases, a bonny huey in the butt would help to crease the ladle, and we'll get drops of canny wood to help to keep the cradle. For you, Johnnie, my Johnnie Sangster, I trim the gavel, oh, my sheep for you, the gallant bandster. For you, Johnnie, my Johnnie Sangster, I trim the gavel, oh, my sheep for you, the gallant bandster. Good afternoon, Abdi. I hope we're having a good time so far. Started off there with a bothy ballad for the northeast of Scotland that I learnt from the singing of the late, great, but sorely missed Rod Patterson. It's for the Greg Duncan Folk Song Collection, and it's actually one of the only bothy ballads that is written in the perspective of a woman. But it's written by a manny for Fetter Angus that was born in 1785. Now, I'm going to swiftly carry on now with a song that's also written in the perspective of a woman. And this was written by the Tory Quine, June Imray, and I'd love you all to join in. Well, I'm nae Brigitte Bardot, and I'm nae Sophia Loren, Miss United Kingdom, oh no, you're wrong again, and I'm nae Prince Harry's girlfriend, or even Miss Grampian. I'm the Quine faddest, the stripping in Inverurie. Knew I used to operate a loom at Richard's factory. I liked it fine and new, but it was nae recht for me. Wi' my figure and my looks and my personality, I was born to do the stripping in the Inverurie. I ta'en a bussy into Aberdeen a day to see the sights. Fin a manny said, "Hey darling, would you like to hit the heights? Oh, you're wasted in a factory, I could put your name in lights." So I signed to do the stripping in Inverurie. Well, I met a farmer at a dance. He asked to see me hame, but you should have seen his face when I said, "Lad, I'm just nae game. Fa do you think I am? I'm nae just onybody you ken. I'm the Quine faddest, the stripping in Inverurie." Well, I met a Texan millionaire. He swept me off my feet. He bought me furs and diamonds for a shop off Union Street. And he asked if I would marry him, but I said I couldn't do it, for I'd miss the fun of haying in Inverurie. Well, they called me for the BBC. Said, "Well, we'll do a deal. Your fee'll be a $5 and a lovely canteen meal." But I couldn't speak for laughing. I said, "A wah and a be feel, for I strip for £80 in Inverurie." Well, I think I'll still be at it, even fun a mal and grey. I when I get up stripping till they carry me away. When I reach the pearly gates at last, I'll be very proud to say I'm the Quine that did the stripping in Inverurie. I'm going to move on now with a wee bit more of a poignant song that was written by the wonderful Karine Polwart. She wrote this for the women of Srebrenica, and it commemorates the atrocities and genocide that happened on the 11th of July 1984, which we must never forget. And the song reminds me of a quote saying that an injustice for any is an injustice for all. Please do join in with this song, Whaur Do Lie.
Whaur do you lie, my son? Whaur do you lie? truth be one.
Thank you so much. Well, I have came to the end of my short but sweet time with yous. I'd love you to show your appreciation for a wonderful Jimmy and Cammy on the sounds, Jen Austin on piano, Jenn Butterworth and Signy Jakobsdottir on percussion. I like to finish up with a song that means so much to me and hopefully so much to all of yous in the room. It was originally a pipe march, World War I pipe march, written by Pipe Major John McClellan and put to melody by the grandfather of the Scottish folk revival, Hamish Henderson. Now please do join in with the Freedom Camogie.
Roch lo wind and the clear day stawin, blas the clear tilster gaudi are the bay, but there's mere not a roch wind blowing through the great glen o' the wild the day. It's a thought to it got rotten all the rocks like gangalis fresh and gay. Take the road and seek hither lonens for their ALBA to sport and play. Here well the bonny Callans marched to war when her brackets grisly crawl. Nor we wind straight petite and clacking, mourn the ships sailing down the broomy wall. Broken families and lands we've harried, Whaur, Scotland the brave, nae mere, black and white, into leather married, Max the vile barracks o' the maester's spear. So come Paul, ye at him we freedom, never heed with their hoodies grow for doom. And you all the beams o' Adam will find reeds barley being painted room. When the clean meets with springs and spring burn, all the roses and beans will turn to bloom. And a black boy Fiona Younger dangs the fell gallows o' the burgers' doom.
Catholic Gamor, Iona. Well, Harston, that is 3 contestants down, 3 still to go. Shisha Farpish Nech Kul tradition og BBC Radio Scotland da vile fiches Shia call the Rimse Joyden Lop. A cruellich bio va haldichen ballo waschu in a neiche yedig to Celtic connections. And we are delighted to be broadcasting live on both BBC Radio Scotland agus Kujach BBC ALBA. And it's no exaggeration to say that the atmosphere here in the City Halls is electric thanks to our lovely audience audience, but of course to all the fantastic performance we've heard so far too. Agus han sian ar arpasach opracha gudíchalach sy'n ffain chun na héadasa agus chavicin gadíab a bhí sein agus a clúcha beo TV agus radio. And in less than 2 hours we will know who will become the 2026 champion and join the long list of highly regarded musicians who've taken the title over its 26-year history. Nisha Kadishan Falchik Ivan Yeeler, Ewan Rory. Ewan grew up